Okay, I'm gonna try to get used to this. I want to test it out, see how it works. A little speed run. Put on the belt tires, the Gravik tires. And we shall see. Okay. Checking for the satellite stuff. Are you serious? Up. So weird. There we go. Press start. Ooh. How is this? Auto speed acceleration. This one is track. Start. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's check. Stop. Picture. 53 miles an hour with those Gravik tires. Pretty good. Check the non-bolted tires. Change them out real quick. Start. Stop. Freeze. $55 only. That's not. I think it would go a little faster than that. Uh-huh. Okay. Well, it wasn't fast as I thought it would be. Pretty sad. Not sad, but I think it would go faster. That's where I mounted my. That should be alright. Got that double-sided Velcro, whatever. Not Velcro, but put it on top and come off. 55 on these cars. Man, they were pretty stretched out. Same way with those ones. So, yeah, I don't know. But I'm pretty sure with the 2346, because that's like 2 gears difference or something on the speed gear for this is faster than this setup that I have, but it's good enough. I like it, I'll leave it. 24 to 55, that's fast enough. Get some airtime with it anyway. And that's it on the little video of this speed run, test run in the SKYRC 55. Pretty cool. Just gotta figure out, I want to do airplane one and check the height, you know, and figure out the length. How she could all do show, you know, but I'm sure there's a way. I gotta figure it out. But anyways, that's it on the SKYRC GPS run. Yep, SKYRC. Only thing I didn't really like was, you know, it took a while to get the satellite, pick up the satellites. It's the only drawback, but who knows, maybe it was just me. But when I do the next run, I'll see if it take that long, you know. I thought where I mounted it on my body was affecting it, but no, just took a while to get a hold of the satellites. But yeah, it's a pretty nice product. Just the wait time was kind of annoying, that's it. But play with it a little more, get to know it more. But it's better than my phone, that's for sure. Yep. Alright, then yeah, I'm sure you guys hear it clicking. I think when I was putting that, because I had it on and I should have shut it off, and I put in that screw, on the horn. I think that's what kind of messed it up a little, but it still works. It'll work for now. But I'm gonna get another servo for this one. Yeah, that's it on this SKYRC. It's a good product. I mean, it's better than my phone. But yep. I thought it'd go a little faster, but no. It's kind of like that 2346 kind of area. Maybe I'll try to look for a 21, 22 hardened pinion. But I don't know. I like it. It's good. It's good enough. Alright, that's it on the XRT/X-Max speed run with the SKYRC. Alright, later.